Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. We also dabble a little bit into gardening and just learning how to grow our plants better. If that sounds like a good time, you are interested in learning, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. So, today I'm excited because I have a mini plant haul and also a little potter plant haul going on. So, my sister, as I've mentioned before, earned her master's in ceramics at Cranbrook University School of Arts, and she makes pottery. So I was able to purchase some of her art. I'm very excited. I think it's all really beautiful. I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm first going to show you some of the pieces that I've had previously before I got the new stuff. So this is one of the first ones I got. I love this bottom design. I love how it comes out like that. I love the color. I love the color contrast. I really like the texture of these guys. These guys are made of stoneware clay. They are glazed and fire kilned, and they are durable. I have dropped these guys and they haven't broken. So they're also harder for my cats to knock around compared to some of the other pots that I get at like Home Depot or Lowe's. This is another one. The same color design, but I mean, look at that, is beautiful. Just the detail in it is really pretty. They come with a drainage hole. Again, really sturdy. Good plants. Good plant pots. I also have a 2-inch pot of hers that is very funky with all the different colors. I'm not into the monochromatic aesthetic. I need color, I need different designs, different shapes, and this is, these do it for me. They have all the different designs, they have different textures, different colors. I mean, this is beautiful. This one I'm really excited about. It is a one of a kind. She only made one. I'm so glad I was able to snag this one. And I will put her description, not her description, well, I guess I could, but her information in the description below. I mean, beautiful pots, really. I hope you can see it. If not, I'll take some close-up photos and insert it. What we got? A couple more. This one's so pretty. I really like this. Like, this is my jam right here. I just like the way it flows, the way it, the textures break itself up, just the design in it alone. Beautiful. We have this one. It is a dark, striking blue color, almost a purpley color. It's like a dark purple blue. And the contrast with the bottom edge, really, it pops, it breaks up the pot. It's really pretty. I'm gonna keep saying that, but they are. And the last one is like an oil slick. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. She also makes cups. She can make you really anything you want. Hit her up in the description below if you want to support an artist and get some really cool, durable stoneware clay pots or cups or plates or whatever it is that you want. She can do it. Again, check it out in the description below. Alright, now on to the plants, my little plant haul. So, the first one I'm going to show you is the Velvet Sabrina. I got this guy for $5. I've been recently seeing these huge baskets of this plant, and I really don't have space for that large of a plant, but I mean, they are so fuzzy. So fuzzy. And they're Tradiscantias. They're supposed to be easy to grow, right? Although my Nanook is not doing so well, but that's another story, another video. But look how beautiful this is. Look how furry too. I mean, it's just really, it's really cool. It's really cool. And so because I like to collect genuses, I got another Tradiscantia. I do have quite a few different types of Tradiscantia. And I like them because they are so easy to propagate. They really are pretty. They come in all different shapes, different colors, different textures. And really, so this one is called the Rainbow Sabrina. This has white, green, and it looks like a pink on top, but underneath it is a purple, a light purple. And I got this one to kind of get a knockoff of the Nanook, because I've gotten the Nanook a couple times and I've killed it every time I've gotten it. I haven't killed the one that I have now, but I do have it propagating in water. Maybe it will grow back and be alright, but if not, this guy has all the same colors, and I think it will be an easier plant to grow. So there's that. Next I will show you, this is a Peperomia Quadragularis, and I got this guy for $12, and look how cool. I mean, I bought it with flowers. So we have those guys. These are like little succulent leaves. They're plump, stiff. Just, if you like succulents and you want a trailing plant, I would look for this guy. The design on the leaves are so pretty. It's the interchanging darker green and lighter green. And you can also see it on the back of the leaves too. It's a really pretty, just a pretty plant. I saw it and I was like, I want this. And so I got it, you know. And it comes with beneficial insectitary. I have to Google what this is because I am not sure what this is. If I'm supposed to open it and put it out or just leave it like that. But if you know, let me know. But this is the Peperomia Quadragularis. And I have 2 more different types of plants left to show you. So, Philodendron micans, I got these guys for $15 each. My original plant is still alive, but I want a fuller plant, and I've never seen these guys offered anywhere else, and so I got them. And I got 2 of them, and this guy already has a growth point coming out, so that is exciting. I can't wait to put these guys up with the little couple of strands that I have growing and struggling to make a fuller pot. I think that is just going to look really pretty. And the last one that I'm going to show you today, I don't know the name of it. It is a trailing succulent type of plant. And I got it for $18.99. I just think it looks so cute when it first comes out. As it's growing out, they're like little rosettes at the ends. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful plant, and I'm really excited to watch this grow and trail and get really large. So there it is. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video for today. We got some plants, we got some pots, and yeah, if you know the names of the plants that I don't know, like the one I just showed you, or if you have any suggestions on how to grow some of these plants so that I am successful, drop them down in the comments below. Until next time guys, relax, plant, and peace out.